Hi everyone, I'm Ann Labar, and I'm here to give you 6 reasons to be riveted by my new book, Prom Theory. 1. Neurodiverse main character. Iris Oxtoby has nonverbal learning disorder, and while it causes her some issues, it also gives her some gifts. Read to find out. 2. The love story. It's as adorable as this cover. Really, I'm not kidding. 3. Psychology tricks you can try on your crush. Did you know that if you go on a date and ride a roller coaster, your date is going to associate that excitement and that adrenaline to being with you, not the ride? Unless he pukes, and then it really doesn't work so well. 4. Iris knows everything there is to know about love that she's read in science books and psychology articles and on Wikipedia. Lots of Wikipedia. But that's still about love, right? Yeah. Iris knows everything there is on Wikipedia to know about love. 5. Enter the world of the adolescent barbaric ritual that is prom. 6. Iris Oxtoby reveals the evolutionary origins of cleavage. And a bunch of other stuff too. Those are my reasons to be riveted by Prom Theory. What will yours be? You'll have to read it to find out. Thanks, everyone.